Based in a quaint country town off Winchelsea in the southwestern part of Victoria, Nucky's is a family-owned and run business which has been making quality agricultural machinery for Australian farmers since the early 20th century. Now run by fourth-generation owners Warwick and Steve Nucky, the business is constantly improving its products and expanding its lineup in order to solve common issues faced by the farming community. One such product that has been developed as a result of farmer demand is the new Wheeltrack Renovator, which made its debut at the 2018 Elmore Field Days.
It was brought about by some local farmers having issues with their compaction and rut marks and bog marks from their controlled traffic farming. They'd tried a number of different things on the market and it wasn't doing the particular job they were after. So we sat down with those guys over sort of 3 years really to get it to this particular stage where we use it in the paddock and did a magnificent job.
Nucky's Wheeltrack Renovator uses a 4-part process to remove wheel ruts and create a level ground for machines to travel safely on again.
We cut the side wall back in, we compact it, we then work on that mound that's left from those front particular discs and then flattening it completely with the rear set of discs and the cage roller, leaving a compacted flat track.
Understanding that farmers across Australia work with different soil types and ground conditions, Nucky's has built the machine to be easily configurable to individual needs.
So this one can be anywhere from 2 metre wheel tracks right out to 4.5 metre wheel tracks when we just have a change of distance, a change of length with this particular section here, which just unbolts. If you unbolt that, this one's set up for 3 metres. We unbolt that and bolt that back into this section here and it becomes a 2 metre machine. The amount of discs that you can add to the front, you can have 3 to 4 discs either side of the track. In Western Australia with the sand, we're trying to filter in a lot more sand from out wider, whereas where it was grown, this one down in Western Victoria, it was literally just returning the side wall and what had spilled out on top of the side wall back into the track.
Weighing up to 4 tonnes, the Wheeltrack Renovator requires a tractor with at least 200 horsepower to operate. The machine also folds to 3 metres for ease of transport and storage.
Further versatility with this machine is it's not only just a Wheeltrack Renovator, it can be used in a centre pivot application as well. Sort of made the machine to be able to be really flexible in the fact that it mightn't be something that you use for 4 months of the year. You'll get the job done in a couple of weeks and you can hire the machine out to someone that may not even be on the same wheel track as yourself, or you can go on contract and get some money back for the machine that you've purchased.
Another feature on the Wheeltrack Renovator is the depth wheels on each wing that trail along the top of seat beds to maintain a level surface for the machine to work on.
So the depth wheels with your hydraulics in float keep the machine parallel to the ground and is not continuing to cut that same pattern back in the ground, leaving a nice flat finish, and also allows the driver to concentrate on what's ahead rather than having to look behind all the time, seeing where the machine is located.
Nucky's Wheeltrack Renovator retails for about $45,000 plus GST.